ग्लोबल स्पोकन इंग्लिश फर्राटेदार अंग्रेजी बोलना सीखे मात्र 90 दिनों में।
Beautiful good morning to all of you.
Good morning, sir.
First of all, I would like to thank my respected teacher who gave me a golden opportunity to speak in front of you. I am Jishan Khan and I am from Fatehpur Talnaja. Today I am here to deliver a speech. My speech is about importance of English language. Now I am going to share my thought with you. If you determine to learn, no one can stop you. No one can stop you. Now I am going to start my speech. The English language is global language and the most famous for social communication. It is the third most language. It is the third most spoken language on the globe. And about 104 countries have people that can converse in English. The variant of English language we speak today is called modern English. This language has more than 150 accents. This language has more than 150 accents. This language is used in programming languages, international communication, sport, news, etc. The main function of any language to share information. The English language is most suitable for sharing information because it assists to state logical facts clearly. In this modern era, the English language has become an important part of each existing field. Some decades ago, a degree was enough to get corporate job or employment, but at present the time has changed. Today, the knowledge of English language holds more value than a degree. Furthermore, this language unlocks barriers to your growth. If you desire to start your career in the field of science and technology, the English language is necessary. Even it assists in performing research because most of the data available on the internet are in English. In the end, the English language is like a device that can help you experience a world a better level. Now, I have to stop here because time is limited and we should respect time. I hope you like my thought on the English language. Before finishing my speech, I want to present some line in Hindi. कि मंजिल से आगे बढ़कर मंजिल तलाश कर, मंजिल से आगे बढ़कर मंजिल तलाश कर, मिल जाए तुझको दरिया तो समंदर तलाश कर, मिल जाए तुझको दरिया तो समंदर तलाश कर। हर शीशा टूट जाता है पत्थर की चोट से, कि हर शीशा टूट जाता है पत्थर की चोट से, पत्थर ही टूट जाए वो शीशा तलाश कर। Now I would like to finish my topic. Thank you for listening.